All people have a Christ code inside, and I can feel it burning bright. Under the dust, under the shame, you still carry that holy flame. Broken hands can still reach high, tired hearts can still come alive. If you listen, if you believe, grace is closer than you think. So rise up, let the darkness break. Rise up, hear the morning wake. We must activate that code. We are light in the earth. We must activate that code. Let love show what's your word. Activate that code. We are light in the earth. Every child, every wounded soul has a spark that wants to go through the fear and through the rain, calling your true name again. And you were made for something more than the walls you stood before. Open wide, let mercy in, watch the whole world shine again. So rise up, let the darkness break. Rise up, hear the morning wake.